Amazon affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start your Amazon affiliate marketing on the Pinterest platform. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you might be wondering is, what is Amazon affiliate marketing and how do you get started with Amazon affiliates? Well, first off, you're going to go on to affiliates-program.amazon.com, and Amazon calls their affiliate program their Amazon Associates, and you can see it is a pretty simple setup. You sign up, you recommend their products, and then you can start earning commissions. And they do have pretty low commissions. You earn up to 10% in associate commissions, and that's pretty low. But the deal with Amazon is that their products are pretty easy to sell, so you're not going to have to do a lot in marketing, but you're going to be able to sell higher volumes, and that is how you're going to generate most of your income. So once you understand what the basics of the Amazon Associates program are, you're going to click on sign up over here, and then you can sign up via your Amazon seller account. If you have that already, you can just click on sign in over here, and you can apply to become an Amazon associate. So once you apply to become an Amazon associate, you do have to deal with a waiting list for a little while, and after the waiting list is over and after your account has been approved, you can start promoting your Amazon product. So Amazon products do have some terms and conditions you need to make sure that you know of. So first off, you have your disqualified purchases. Make sure you do read through these, because if you have a redirecting link, so if you redirect your URL or use those pretty URL tools or anything like that, you're going to be compromising the overall agreement with Amazon, and you're not going to get any commissions. Also, any pre-release or pre-order product is not available on the listing page. You're not going to get any commissions for that. So make sure you are able to fulfill the demands required by Amazon for their affiliates program. Now, make sure you do give a good read to their policies. And if you're wondering that, can you really promote on Pinterest? Are there any violations if you're promoting on Pinterest? Well, there are no violations as long as you are not using any kind of copyrighted images or material. So make sure when you are promoting your product, you're not using anything that is already copyrighted. So once you have signed up for the Amazon affiliate program, you're going to see this type of bar on the top over here, and you can see the details for your product over here as well. So once you have your product, let's say we have these socks that we get as the affiliate that we have to promote. How do you get to promoting socks on Pinterest? Well, on Pinterest, first off, you're going to create your account, and I already have an account now. You have to make your account a business account to get detailed analytics, and it's pretty simple and easy. All you really need to do is, once you create your account, apply for the business version, and it will be approved instantly. It's not a difficult setup, but once you do get the business version, you're going to be able to get overviews, you're going to be getting detailed insights, and you can see the impressions, engagement, total audience, and engaged audience within your post. So now, once you have your Pinterest account logged in, how do you get to promoting the Amazon affiliate link? Well, on Pinterest, you're just going to go onto the create section over here, and you're going to upload these different images. So how do you create interactive images that you can use to promote on Pinterest? Well, for that, I would recommend that you go onto a platform like Canva, and you can use Canva to create different interesting looking pins to promote your Amazon product on the Pinterest platform. So what I would recommend is this: take the affiliate product that you have, go onto the images, open up the images that have been posted for your product, and then you can just click on save as, and save the images to your computer or your laptop. So we are just going to save these over here and save all the images that you have. So once you have the images for your product downloaded, it could be any product, you're just going to go on to canva.com, and once you're on Canva, you're going to click on custom size over here. You're going to change this from pixels into inches, and then depending on the size of the pin that you're looking to create, I would like to usually go with a 12 by 16 size. That's a pretty decent size for you to create a interesting Pinterest pin. Open up your blank canvas, and once you have your blank canvas ready for your product, I would usually suggest that if you're looking to create an entire board on Pinterest, so you can create an individual pin or a board, and if you're creating a board, you can make a cover image and then have your products within that entire board, or you can create a direct pin. So on here, I'm just going to create a pin. So what I'm going to do is, you're just going to go into your uploads, and then you're going to click on upload media. You're going to upload the picture that you just downloaded for your affiliate. So the affiliate picture that you have, you're going to go into your downloads, upload that picture or whatever product it might be. So if I have this necklace that I have to promote, I'm just going to upload it over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait until this is uploaded, add the image over here, and you can do this later on. First, you can create the backdrop. So you're going to go into the element section, you're going to search for background, and let's say I'm going to open up these grid lines. Now these are in white, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the background into black like this, and I'm going to open up these grid lines, and you can zoom in if you want to get a detailed view of your canvas. So I'm just going to realign this and expand it, and once you have these expanded, I'm just going to center these. Now after that, I'm just going to add a few animations over here like this, and I'm just going to open these up as well, and I'm going to make sure all of this is centered. I'm just going to remove this, and now I'm going to go into my upload section. I'm going to take that image that I had, and I'm just going to place it over here. Actually, I'm going to expand it once, and then I'm actually going to go make it a bit transparent like this. Then I'm going to add the image again, resize it, and place it over here on the edge of the transparent image like this. Then I'm going to go on to the text section, and I'm just going to use one of their pre-made text combos. You can create your own text combos as well, but I'm just going to use their text combo that they have, and I'm just going to select one that is not too much, that's a bit simple. So like this, I'm just going to take this text combo and I'm going to expand it. I'm going to resize it over here. I'm going to remove all of this excess text, and I'm going to add something about the product that I'm looking to promote. So stainless, clover, gold plated necklace like this, and I am just going to move this over here. And you can add backgrounds and you can always customize your text, but once you do that, I'm just going to click on download. I'm going to download this image, and I'm going to go on to Pinterest. I'm going to click on create, and I'm going to click on create a pin, and now I'm going to add the title. So in your title, you want to make sure you're adding as many keywords as you possibly can. So we're going to add words that people actually use to search for stuff. So let's say we're going to do necklace or gold plated necklace, clover necklace, because you're trying to add as many SEO optimized words or phrases as you can, and then you're going to add a description. Obviously it's going to be a bit more detailed. You can talk about how this is a great necklace and how it's just a great product for anyone to use. Then you're going to copy and paste your affiliate link over here, and then you're not going to actually upload the image. You're going to upload the Canva promo image that you created, and once you do that, you're just going to click on add destination link. Obviously, I'm just going to copy this link, but you're going to actually add your own actual affiliate link, paste that over here, and then you can click on publish over here, and now you have your pin created for your Amazon affiliate on Pinterest. So this is how easy it is to promote your Amazon affiliate products on Pinterest. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you're now able to use Pinterest to promote your own Amazon affiliate links as well. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.